My beautiful team.
Good morning.
Your energy is not good. Can you please once again?
Good morning.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay. So today we are here in front of you with a very beautiful activity with my new student, Miss Lucy Kumari. Right? Lucy, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Today you have to speak on the stage, right? In front of these audience. Okay? Only one quote you have to speak. Alright? Come on to the stage, please. Yeah, please speak in front of these guys that beautiful quote. Right here. Can I go that side? Yes, please. Yeah. Speak. Yeah.
Sir, I have here
किस चीज का डर लग रहा है?
audience का सर.
ऑडियंस का. ये ऑडियंस आपके दोस्त हैं, प्यारे दोस्त हैं, इनके साथ आप पढ़ते हैं. इनसे क्या डरना?
सर फिर भी डर लगता है.
ओके, फिर भी डर लगता है. That's very bad, यार. Okay, all right. I have an activity for you, right? Can you please go into the corner, please? जाइए कोने में जाइए. Right, that's great. Okay. Do one thing, turn around. Yes. देखिए यहाँ पर कोई ऑडियंस तो नहीं है?
No sir.
नहीं है ना? कोई भी तो नहीं है पक्का? चेक कर लो. पता चला डर लग रहा हो आपको, right? No audience?
No.
Now you will speak in front of the wall. पहली बार दीवार के सामने आप बोलोगे, right? भूल जाओ ऑडियंस को, कोई है ही नहीं एक्चुअली दीवार के सामने, कोई भी नहीं है. Speak something. That's great. Yeah, please speak that beautiful quote. All right. Yeah.
You may be the only person
Yeah. Try.
who believes in you,
Right.
but it's enough.
Hmm.
It takes just one star to
Great.
pierce a universe of darkness.
Yes.
So never give up.
Yes. That's great. दीवार के सामने लड़की बोल के देखा आपने? It happens actually. डर लगता है हमारे को. That's great. Lucy, you did very well. Come on to the stage, please. Right, yeah? Now, can you speak the same quote on the stage? Yeah, please. Speak the same quote on the stage. Same quote आप stage पे बोलिए. Right? Can you speak now? Can you try to speak now?
Yes sir.
अभी भी डर लग रहा है?
Yes sir. You may be the
Right.
नहीं हो रहा सर.
इनका आंख बंद करवाऊं या आपका आंख बंद करवाऊं? इन्हीं का आंख बंद करवाते, right?
No sir.
Because you will look at them, right? That's not a problem, okay? You need to try once more, okay? What do you need to do, right? Close your eyes and you will have to speak in front of these guys. Close your eyes, please. Yeah. सामने कुछ दिख रहा है क्या आपको?
No sir.
आंख बंद है इसका, है ना? Right. कितनी उंगली है?
नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
नहीं दिख रहा, पक्का आंख बंद है. That's great, yeah? Now you have to speak in front of these guys. अब ऑडियंस आपके सामने है ही नहीं. Now please speak something.
You may be the only person left. नहीं हो रहा है.
मतलब अभी तुम ऑडियंस को इमेजिन कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब, राइट? डोंट इमेजिन द ऑडियंस, राइट? देयर आर नो ऑडियंस, देयर नो पब्लिक, राइट? प्लीज क्लोज योर आईज वंस अगेन. यस, प्लीज ट्राई. टेक डीप ब्रीथ इन. या प्लीज ब्रीथ.
Okay,
ब्रीथ.
sir.
या प्लीज स्टार्ट.
You may be the only person left who believes in you, but it's enough. It takes just one star to pierce a universe of darkness. So never give up.
Wow, miracle. Yes, stupendous. How are you feeling now?
I feel very good.
You feeling well?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now you can speak. Come this side. You can speak. आंखें खोल के भी अब बात हो सकता है, लग रहा है, राइट? Now you can speak. What do you think, public? कैसा कर रहे हैं? How are they doing? How we are doing? I'm not talking about myself. Is she doing well? Yeah. What is this? You don't know how to appreciate. Is she doing well? Yeah. You need to be energetic all the time. इसीलिए तो डर लगता है. पब्लिक मुंह बना रही होती है अलग अलग तरह का. आपको अप्रिशिएट करना है, और जो स्टूडेंट स्टेज पे बोलेंगे उसको डर नहीं लगेगा. Don't smile, don't laugh at anyone, right? इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, तो इम्प्रूविंग, ऑल राइट। ओके, सो अब क्या करेंगे, आंखें खोल करके स्टेज पे बोलेंगे, राइट? डरना किसी से नहीं। कम ऑन टू द स्टेज प्लीज एंड होल्ड द माइक नाउ। अब माइक पकड़ के बोलेंगे, राइट? अब देखिए माइक पे शी इज ट्राइंग टू स्पीक, ऑलराइट, स्पीक अप।
You 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 may be the only person left who believes in you.
हाथ क्यों कांप रहा है?
सर नहीं हो रहा है।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। कम लाइक गिव द माइक, होल्ड लाइक दिस, राइट? एकदम कस के पकड़ लो, हाथ कांपना नहीं, प्लीज होल्ड, राइट? दोनों हाथ, राइट? या दैट्स गुड। ओके
ओके सर।
नाउ स्पीक।
You may be the only person left who believes in you,
Right,
but it's enough.
right.
It takes just one star to pierce a universe of darkness. So never give up.
I can say this is better. This is better. This is better. It's good. Good. चलो, all right. Go that in the corner. अभी और भी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है। अभी तक तो ये कोड को बोला है इसने, अब क्या करना है, इसको कोड को समझाना है। Now you have to make your codes understand these guys, okay? You have to walk from the corner, okay, to the audience. Audience की तरफ जाना है और आपको कोड को समझाना है। Please walk to the audience, right?
You may be the one person left who believes in you.
इतना जल्दीबाजी में हो। Please go once again. Go once again. Be slow. And here body movement is very important. Hand movement is very important. Be slow. And you didn't take the mic. Hold the mic also, right? Now, please go to the audience, right? Yeah, please walk to the audience.
You may be the one person on the left who believes in you. It's enough. It takes just one star to pierce a universe of darkness. So never give up.
Stunning performance. फर्क है?
Yes, sir.
You feel difference?
Yes, sir.
Great achievement, right? You
Yes,
did
sir.
it, right? You need to try like this even at your home. Sometimes what happens, we feel trepidation from others. दूसरों से हमें डर लगता है. What do you need to try? You need to try different ways so that you should try to speak alone at your home, right? In front of the mirror. After that, speak on the way, speak in the market, speak in the college. धीरे धीरे करके लोगों की तादाद बढ़ा दो, ऑडियंस की तादाद बढ़ा दो, right? And one day you will be a very fearless public speaker. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Okay.